Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy slicing with the step parameter. In this video, you'll learn how to use the step parameter to perform non-contiguous slicing, which allows you to select elements at specific intervals from your arrays. The step parameter is the third component in NumPy's slicing syntax. The complete syntax is array, opening square bracket, start : stop : step, closing square bracket. The step parameter controls the interval between selected elements, determining which elements you skip as you move through the array. Let's start with a basic example. We have an array containing numbers from 0 to 9. When we use : 2, we're telling NumPy to select every second element starting from the beginning. The result is an array containing 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Notice how we skip one element each time. Similarly, we can select every third element by using a step value of 3. With the same array from 0 to 9, using : 3 returns 0, 3, 6, and 9. Each selected element is 3 positions apart from the previous one. You can combine the step parameter with start and stop values for more precise control. Here, we slice from index 1 to index 8 with a step of 2. This means we start at position 1, stop before position 8, and take every second element in that range. The result is 1, 3, 5, and 7. The step parameter can also be negative, which reverses the direction of traversal. Using a step of -1 reverses the entire array. Our array from 0 to 5 becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is a quick and efficient way to reverse any array in NumPy. You can combine reversal with intervals by using negative step values greater than 1. Using a step of -2 starts from the end of the array and moves backwards, selecting every second element. From our array of 0 to 9, we get 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Let's recap the key concepts. Positive step values move forward through the array at the specified interval. Negative step values move backward and reverse the order. The step size controls the interval between selected elements. You can combine start, stop, and step parameters together for powerful and flexible array slicing. Practice these techniques to master non-contiguous slicing in NumPy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.